If you've ever wanted to know what the fresh fallen leaves are like for dogs, it's right up there with snow. Right, guys? Of course, now they stop. Come on, guys! Come on, guys! Come on! Nacho, stay here, bud. They were all ripping around like they were on crazy pills about 2 minutes ago. Okay, be careful. Go, Sable. Okay, let's get on to the nicer side with the nicer leaves. Oh, Charlie. Where did we go? Wee! Alright, guys. There's Wee. Charlie! Woo! Sable! Here comes Sable. Sable! Hey, guys. Guys. Not out the hole yet. Oh, nobody's listening. Nobody's listening. But these two crazies. Wow. Be careful! That's all they're doing is running big giant circles. Come on, guys! Well, come on, Charlie. Come on! Baby, careful. Maggie and Sable. Will and Jax and Tori, come back in, please. Nacho-wee. Come back in, please. Come on. Nacho-wee. Thank you, bub. Boo-boo. What are you doing? William! Jax. Come back in, please. Jax. Oi. William? What's up, William? What's up? Charlie! Mags? Come on! Jax! There's not even anybody there. What are you guys barking at? Alright. Alright, come on! Mags? Here she comes. Come on, Mags! Maggie! Mags? Oh my Char-Char, there's nobody there! Nobody at all! And you too, Willie, there's nobody there! Mags? Come on, in here.